In this video, I'm going to show you how to mount a piece of wood onto a lathe and turn it into something amazing. I think you're going to enjoy this video. You might even learn some new techniques. But hey, my name is Frank Perrone and my passion is wood turning. So the best way to mount the blank to the lathe is with a 6-inch faceplate and deck screws. Here you can see that I'm using my Sharpie Magic marker to get the shape of the faceplate onto the blank. Then I'm going to take my 1 3/8 Forstner bit and make a level spot on top of the blank. Here I'm using 1.5 inch deck screws to secure the plate to the blank. I can't stress how important it is to make sure that you use every single hole and as many screws as you can to secure these two pieces together. Now with the blank secured onto the lathe, I use my wrenches to tighten it down, and let's get turning. Here I'm using my calipers to mark the recess for my Novichok. And I'm using a 1/8 inch parting tool to make the recess. Once I finish with the parting tool, I follow up with the skew chisel to make the recess flat and sharpen the edge. Now I give it a light sanding with 220 grit sandpaper and do a little bit of hand sanding to take out any swirl marks or lines left when the lathe is spinning. After the sanding, it's time to reverse chuck. I'll use my Novichok here with the key to adjust the jaws and hold it in the recess. Now I take my carbide cutter and start to hollow out the inside. Once it's hollowed out, I finish sanding again with 220 grit sandpaper and give it a coat of mineral spirits. The mineral spirits really lets me take a look and see what type of coloring I'm going to get. Plus, it helps to clean up all the sawdust off of the piece. Now I'm applying some wipe-on polyurethane, and now it really starts to pop. I'll give it about 2 or 3 applications with light sanding in between, and it dries pretty quick. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.